In this clip, I'd like to take you on a quick tour of Microsoft Outlook 2016. When Microsoft Office opens, its default view is in our inbox. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll notice a series of little icons. This is called the Quick Access Toolbar. We will show you how to customize that in a later lesson. Across the top, you have the tab and ribbon interface. The tabs are functional depending on what you're trying to accomplish. The first tab is the File tab. This is where you can locate your account settings, open and export other files, save attachments, print, change your Office account, and also other options that are available. We will explore these in a future lesson. I'm going to click the arrow to go back. The Home tab is the default tab where you'll find most of the common functions for each of the applications. For instance, we have new email, delete, reply, forward in our mailbox. The tabs are broken down into groups that are functional. Sometimes it's easier to locate the command that you're looking for if you check out the groups first. On the left-hand side is the folder pane, and this is where you access your content. In the center, you're going to see the mail pane, and this is where you can see all your incoming mail. On the right-hand side, you'll find the reading pane. The reading pane is where you can preview the email that's currently selected in the mail pane. In the lower left-hand corner, you'll see the navigation bar. By default, I can see the email, calendar, people, and an ellipsis button. You should always check out what's in the ellipsis button because it provides different options. I'm going to select that button, and then from the fly-up, choose navigation options. You can see the default settings are for 4 visible items in compact navigation. Personally, I like to see the links across the bottom, and I like to see all 5 of the main areas of Outlook, so I'm going to change these settings. I'm going to change the maximum number to 5 and deselect the compact navigation to show the links. Now if I'd like to, I can reorder these by using the move up and down buttons, but I like this setting, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. You can now see the links in the lower left-hand corner, which are a little more useful for me for the way that I work in Microsoft Outlook. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next clip.